Class 6, we are continuing with the decimal fraction sums. This is exercise 28, sum number 3. The sums are more or less similar type. Now check, you have done a sum like this in fraction. A post means it can be lamp post, electric post, anything. A post has 0.3 of its length in mud. So 0.3 portion is under mud cover. 0.4 of it is in water. So it is submerged under water. So this much of the post is under water, and the remaining 9 meters is above water. So the portion which is above water is not told in decimal, but the actual value is given how much is lying above mud and water. This is the length of the post which is lying above water, 9 meters. The question is, find the total length of the post. Now if only the post which is lying above mud and water constitutes 9 meter, then the total post will obviously measure more than 9 meters, and that is the value we have to find out. Now see, if the entire stick is 1, the decimal total is 1. The stick is divided into different portions. A portion that is inside mud equal to 0.3. The portion that is inside water equal to 0.4. Then if I add both of them and subtract from 1, the total stick means 1. From that, if I subtract the portion which is under mud and water, I will get the portion in decimal number what is outside mud and water. Because the portion that is outside mud and water is not given, but the actual length which is outside mud and water is given. So if we find out the portion and if we form an equation between these two, that will help me to get the total length. So just look how we will do the sum. Portion inside mud and water, portion of post lying inside mud and water is equal to 0.4 plus 0.3. Now if you add this, it will give you 0.7. Therefore, portion of post lying above water will be how much? This part. If the total post is 1, if we think that the total thing is 1 minus the portion submerged under mud and water is 0.7. So you will have to simply subtract 0.7 from 1. How will you do that? 1, it has no decimal part, so you have to forcibly place the decimal point, minus 0.7. So 0.7, this number has only decimal part, no whole number part. So you are writing it. So here you have to give 1 0, and here on top you have to give 1 0. Why we are doing that? We want the two numbers to look alike, as if it has a whole number as well as a decimal part. Same thing here, also a whole number and a decimal part is present. Now if you subtract 10 minus 7 gives 3. Return this 1 minus 1 0, and the point will come before 1 place, because here before 1 place you have the point. So 0.3 is the of the post is lying above the water. Now according to the problem, what do we know? That 0.3 of post which is lying above water is equal to the length of 9 meter. It means, so 0.3 of the post is lying above water is given in decimal, but the actual value, how much length is outside water, that is also said 9 meter. The question is find the total length. Now obviously the total length has to be more. So we will just do one more step. 0.3 means 3 by 10. If I write the decimal as fractional number, this number will come in the top part, and denominator part, for point we take 1 and for the 3 we take 0. One place we take 0. So 3 by 10 of post, the statement will be similar, lying above water is equal to 9 meters. Therefore, total length of post has to be more, only 9 meters. If it is outside water, then total length will be more than 9. So the given length over here is 9 meter. We have to multiply it with a greater than fraction. Now 3 by 10 is a lesser than fraction because the numerator is less. If we reciprocal, the reciprocal of it, 10 by 3 is a greater fraction. So if your required value is more, the total length of the post will obviously be more. So if the required value is more, you always multiply the given thing with a greater than fraction. So 9 meter length is given, but the total length is not given. It will be more. So you will multiply with a greater fraction. So 3 3s are 9. And what is the answer coming? 3 into 10, 30 meter. So the total length of the post is 30 meter in this case. So the answer, or the total length of the post, 30 meters.